Assembly techniques, machine shop assembly, the various methods are used for securing the component together. Mostly 4-5 ऑब्जेक्ट जनरेट होता है. Listen, assembly technique मध्ये 2-3 आयटम आपण केल्या ते तुमका इकडे करून त्याची असेंबली होते. Okay, normally we are doing assembly by providing nut bolt, pin, कळवा. Then nut bolt घालून सुद्धा तो component its bonding very strong असता the joint strong असता. Then we are adding some called adhesive type. कळवा adhesive bonding. तो adhesive किती त्यांची joint असतो bonding बरोबर. जरा chance to avoid certain leakages the असल्यानंतर we have to provide certain packaging method. It all come under this assembly technique. See, a few of the common methods are थोड्याशा मेथड can be specified केल्या in our language as a feeder. It will be the first technique is called dwelling. Dwelling means if the accurate circle part basupada, we need to guide the piece how to come on the other part. So that's why the guiding like a dwelling pin do. So dwelling pin pulse are insert होता है hole to hole. So central to the only hole from part 1 to part 2, both the holes are aligned with the help of this dwelling pin. They will guide how to fit this. Then pinning, you can provide certain pin also. Okay, split pin, quarter pin, they are used in the assembly purpose. Third is stacking. Stacking means some component you need to put by forcefully press fit pull up. So for example, bush. It is not going smoothly. You need required to put a pressure, hydraulic pressure or hammering. That is called stacking. Brazing and hard soldering, which I already told you. What is the brazing and hard soldering? Using of adhesive, this is also one technique. You are applying Fevicol. Adhesive is any epoxy which are applied for the fitting purpose. Fevicol, Anabond, then sealant gasket. खूप से बचे आता है. Resin on hardener, you have to mix it and make the component. During last class, we already finished this, but I'm just revising. So this is a dwelling. Dwelling means there are two components are assembled together by means of dwell pin and screw. So these are the dwell pins which are guided to fit accurately, and then you are insert this screw, machine screw. This is used for accurate position of the two more parts. This allows the part to be separate and relocated in the position. Different types of dwell are used depending on the types of assembly, and the component dwell are always fixed with a retaining screw in the assembly. Next, this assembly technique is called pinning. In this is also method of locating and securing the component together. Means the two components. Come here. Sit. ये मोबाइल ना प्रत्येक मत जगह शेयर कर. So there are different types of pin like parallel pins, quarter pins, taper pins, and spring pins. Parallel pin means it is throughout the diameter of the pin is constant. Okay, that is called parallel pin. Quarter pins, there are quarter pins in the fan and quarter pins. Taper pins means if one diameter is bigger, other diameter is small, and it is getting taper throughout. Spring pins. Spring pin means these are also circular, taper, and parallel both, but middle of this pin there is one cut. If there is a slit cut in the pin, so the spring action takes place. If you compress, it will reduce the diameter, and you can insert into the component, and once it force is released, it will retain its original position. So it will get locked. That is called spring pin. So these are the parallel pins. They are shown here. These fitted like a dwell in the rim holes and held in the position by retaining rings. These are the parallel pins throughout the diameter shape. This is called collar and shaft joint. This is a parallel. This is a retaining rings is here. Other pin is called quarter pin. So this is quarter pin is the same diameter, but at the end of the pin there is a threaded portion, and you can put a nut over. It is quarter pin. Taper pins. Taper pin means the pins will position part accurately. This component can be dismantled easily and assembled without any change in location. The holes for fitting taper pins are finished using taper pins remover. This is a bigger diameter. Here will be smaller diameter. This is a collar and this is a shaft. ये drawing को लगाना हो रहा है. Next is spring pin. Spring pin means nothing. On the circular pin, there will be a slit cut by cut and cut it act like a spring. This eliminates the need for drilling and reaming of this assembly together. The holes for fitting taper pins are finished using taper pin reamer. Spring pin, this is collar and this is shaft. This is the pinning where the parts are to be assembled together. This is one of the method of assembly. Basically, this is similar to the rivet. Rivet का मारून shape करते हैं बहुत. तस्को ने ये दोनों रे type shape केला. देखो मैं pinning. Stacking means you are inserting the bush. So this is a method of retaining the part in the assembly in which the portion or all of the component is forced to flow onto the other component. This is component of bitter galpa and you have to apply the force. That is called stacking. This increases the efficiency of the fit. These are the 3-point stack. This is the 3-point stack and this is a ring stack. Bracing and hard soldering. This is the process of joining metal by using Okay. This is the process of joining the metal by using layer of non-ferrous metal.